Well, we get the Bikini car wash going on here. There's some guy in a bikini. I don't want to see that. Looks like they got that van pretty clean.
Oh, hell, when they are lined up. Where's my camera? I need my other camera for this.
You need the good camera here, huh?
I noticed. Oh, hey. Well, he's that guy. You know any Spanish? I can speak Canadian. Not French Canadian. No, I don't. Whatever. Yeah, fucking right.
Well, they got a line up here waiting to get washed. Jeez.
Stop it.
A lot of people hanging out around here. Here's JJ Lightning taking a video of it. Well, they're quick with this many people.
Where's our real guy at?